Can Nature Made CoQ10 help with high cholesterol? Scientifically, it is deemed very effective based on research. Users also rate it highly. With key ingredients like Reducol plant sterols/stanols and Pantethine, this supplement may assist in cholesterol management. Notably, recent studies show promising results using Evinacumab for severe high cholesterol cases. In a notable case study, LDL cholesterol levels dropped significantly with its use. Nature Made CoQ10 presents as a potential aid for individuals struggling with high cholesterol, offering a natural approach to support heart health.